Kingstonian St Benedict's Primary take on Guys Hill Primary from St Catherine.
Earlier we had the toss. St Benedict's Primary won. They decided they wanted to play first, so St Benedict's. We begin section 1 with you. In Bible knowledge, the first disciples that Jesus called were two brothers. Who were they?
James and John.
That's incorrect. It's Simon and Andrew. Guys Hill Bible knowledge, apart from Simon, Peter, and Andrew, Jesus had a second set of brothers as his disciples. Who were they?
James and John. James and John.
That's correct. St. Benedict science, what name is given to a false image that deceives the eye?
Mirage.
Accepted. Mirage is accepted. Guys Hill science, what name is given to the inability to see some colors?
Blindness.
That's incorrect. It's color blindness. St. Benedict's Local Affairs UTech is a local tertiary institution. What does UTech stand for?
University of Technology. University of Technology.
That's correct, Guys Hill Local Affairs UCC is a local tertiary institution. What does UCC stand for?
United Caribbean Council.
That's incorrect. It's University College of the Caribbean. St. Benedict's English language, what is the superlative form of the word shallow?
Shallowest.
That's correct. Guys Hill English language, what's the comparative form of the word red?
Redder.
That's correct. St. Benedict's general knowledge, what's the term used to describe 4 babies born at the same time?
Quarterless.
Say again?
Quarterlets.
That's incorrect. It's quadruplets. Guys Hill general knowledge, what's the term used to describe 5 babies born at the same time?
Syncoplet.
That's incorrect. It's quintuplet. St. Benedict's social studies, what are the 3 dominant colors in the flag of Ghana?
Red, green, and black.
That's incorrect. It's red, green, and gold. Guys Hill social studies, how many stars can be found on the flag of Ghana?
1.
That's correct. St. Benedict's music, which international artist released the single Go Get It?
R. Kelly.
I think that the incorrect answer came right before the bell. The correct answer, T.I. and Mary Mary. Guys Hill music. Which international artist released the single Don't Wake Me Up?
Justin Bieber.
Charlie Puth.
That's incorrect. It's Chris Brown. St. Benedict's mathematics. What is 36 over 60 in its simplest form?
3/5.
Say again?
3/5.
That's correct. Guys Hill mathematics, what is 44 over 77 in its simplest form?
4/7.
4/7.
That's correct. St. Benedict sports, which team won the Premier League football competition in Jamaica for 2016-2017?
Gardens.
That's correct. Guys Hill sports, which team finished second in the Premier League football competition in Jamaica?
Portmore United.
Portmore United is correct. And that brings us to the end of section 1.
We're all squared at the end of the first round. Both teams end with 9 questions. Both teams attempted all. First round score reads St Benedict's Primary 5, Guys Hill Primary also on 5.